Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to open Trust Wallet. So you go to your Play Store, your App Store, you download Trust Wallet. You download it, then open it. You'll be seeing this. The next, you just click on this Get Started. Click on Get Started, then create new wallet, add existing wallet. So you can either create new wallet or you add existing wallet. Now, if you have wallet before you want to import into this place, you just add existing wallet. Now, if you don't have any wallet before you want to add, then you create new wallet. Now, for beginners, you click on that create new wallet. Click on this create new wallet. So we break into this place. Now, create with secret phrase, then Swift barter. So I will advise you to create with this secret phrase. Just click on this first one. Click on this. The next, backup secret phrase. Protect your asset by backing up your secret phrase now. So you click on this backup manually, but I'm not going to show that now. If you click on that backup manually, they are going to send you some phrase that you will have to copy and keep, because those are the passwords to the Trust Wallet. If you expose it to anybody, that's why I'm not going to expose it to you now, safe. If you expose it to anybody, they will hack your wallet and remove all the money inside. So what you do, you keep it somewhere safe, and if you lost it, you will not be able to access your Trust Wallet if you by mistakenly maybe lost your phone, or you something like clear the app, you clear the data in the app and you are restarting again, you'll not be able to log in. So you have to keep those stuff very safe. So you click on this backup manually. So if you click on backup manually, you can even see what they are saying safe. Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your seed phrase. Okay, that means you have agreed. Saving this saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Copy include screenshots, text file, or emailing yourself. So you can just say okay. Then that means okay, saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Example includes okay. That means don't screenshot it and keep it. Don't use it to test yourself, something like that. Some people may even see it when you are testing. Then next, you just okay, write down your secret phrase and store it in the secure offline location. Okay, just okay, offline location. So that means you click on continue, they will show you the phrase now. So after doing that phase, this is what you're going to see. Okay, start using Trust Wallet. So you can either allow or disallow. So your wallet is ready. This is your Trust Wallet now. If you want to send any coin to somebody, you just click on send. Click on send. On this, okay. If you choose the coin you are sending, let's say you want to send BTC. To send BTC to somebody, click on this BTC. Then click on send. Then you enter the address, enter the amount. Click on next. Then follow the procedure. Then that's if you want to receive coin from somewhere, click on this receive. Maybe you want to click on receive and copy your address. So if you want to copy, maybe the coin is not here, can you click on this manage crypto? Then you search it. Just search. For example, let's say you want to search Ton. Just click on Ton. Okay, this Ton coin. And this Ton coin is Binance Smart Chain. Let's look for another one. Okay, this one is Ton coin in Ethereum. Okay. This one is Ton. Okay, this one is Ton. This one is not even Ton. So let's say you want to use this one now. Just click on that. So this is the Ton coin. But this one is Binance Smart Chain Network. This one is the Binance Smart Chain Network. So if you go back, look at another Ton here. So this one is Ton on Ton blockchain. This one is in Binance and Smart Chain. Then this other one is in the Ethereum chain. But this one is Ton in Ton chain. So this is the one you need if you want to send Ton coin in Ton chain. So you just click on this. So if you want to receive, if you want to send, just click on this send. If you want to receive, just click on this receive. and copy the address. So that's how it is done. You just click on receive, then you click on copy. So look at what I mean. Click on receive, click on copy. I've already copied the address. If you want to send to somebody, click on send. Then you paste this. So this is the address now. Put the amount here, then you are good to go. So if you have any other question, you are free to put it on our comment section, then to be answered swiftly. So thank you. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel. Yeah, see you guys on next update.